If you want to enable iPhone screen mirroring so that you can take whatever's on your iPhone and project it onto a TV, another computer, whatever other device you want, I'll show you how to enable that screen mirroring and where to look specifically to make sure it's enabled and connected every time. So let's jump right in. Let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, tap on General and scroll down and tap on AirPlay and Continuity. Now, keep in mind, AirPlay is Apple's word for screen mirroring, so it's the exact same. You can see towards the bottom is iPhone mirroring to my MacBook Pro. You might see this as an option so that you can always screen mirror from your iPhone over to your Mac or MacBook Pro. However, most of the time people want to screen mirror to a TV. So tap on Automatically AirPlay, and you can see iPhone asks to AirPlay, aka screen mirror, when able to automatically connect. Instead of never, switch this over to ask if you want it to pop up and prompt you, do you want a screen mirror when it recognizes there's a TV or another device on the same network? Or you can switch it to automatic, which usually works a bit better. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of the settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Now, for this to work, your Wi-Fi network on your iPhone as well as that other device needs to be exact same. So you can see I'm connected to the Luddites and Neolites network. You need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Now let's initiate that screen mirroring just by taking your finger and swiping down from the top right. Let's get to your control center from here, and you're looking for this screen mirroring option. It's those two rectangles side by side overlapping right here. So what you're going to do is press and hold on that button, and you can see screen mirroring pops up. If you have a device that you're able to screen mirror to, you'll just select the device on there. It'll take a couple seconds and then initiate that. However, if you don't see screen mirroring on here, just tap on the plus at the top left and then tap Add a Control. And then just search for screen mirroring. It's right here, and add it to your control center for it to get started, and you can project whatever's on your iPhone to that TV. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.